countries from Europe, they boycott the Eurovision because we participate in the Eurovision. Guys, it's so childish. It's childish to do because we will never boycott the Eurovision. We don't care even if Iran want to participate in the Eurovision. We don't care. Do you care that Iran will participate? We know that they don't have a chance. They don't have any gay to do the choreography for the song. They have Mujtaba, but I don't think he has all the body parts for dancing. I don't know if he has all the body parts. And they have gay people. And you know, probably the Hamas has gay people too, of course, you know. But you would never see, like, I don't know, you know, that the Nukhba, the ninja, Nukhba, standing like this. With M16 like this. And his friend like, Shahid, we're on Al Jazeera. You are snoring in a comedy show? You're snoring because you're laughing. Snoring is only two options. Or you're having fun, or you sleep. You know, or you sleep, or like, you know. You okay? You okay? Don't be careful, don't swallow with the nostril. I think that this is the thing. When you snore, your body is telling you don't laugh too much because you're gonna die. This is like handbrakes to the laugh, you know? You know? Because if you laugh too much, you can die. Like your body is stopping you. Don't have too much fun. Don't have too much fun. Relax, relax. And snoring when you're sleeping, this is the worst thing ever. When you sleep next to a lady that she's snoring, wow. When the lady's snoring harder than you, this is a problem, guys. This is a problem because I had a girlfriend like this, and the whole night I remember she snored, and I was looking to the ceiling like this. God, please kill her. Not to kill. Just choke her for a second. Because if you would snore the same snoring, every snore good, but she changed every snore. Like she's choosing snoring from a catalog. Choose a snore and let me sleep. She was so, guys, sometimes she didn't even snore. She just wanted to destroy the night. Sometimes she's like, unbelievable, the whole night. And then I told her, listen, I can't sleep with you. So she bought like two stickers, not stickers, clips, not clips, sticker. It's not magnets. What she is, refrigerator? Like stickers to the nose. That, how you say מדבקות? Stickers! She bought two stickers and she put the sticker here, and it's supposed to open the nostril. Guys, she went to sleep in the middle of the night, I hear boom, the sticker in the air. And it lands on my nose. Like a butterfly. You know that? And what do you think about Israel so far?
I love it.
Really? That's your husband?
No, my boyfriend.
Wow, not yet. Look at this dude. This is your husband? Not yet. I saw you when I walked there. You're too big to bend on your knee. You're gonna still standing. How tall are you? 2 meters. Wow, what are you? A door frame? You need to put mezuzah on your shoulder. Wow, what do you do? You're a basketball player?
I wish, no.
So what do you do with this gadget? I wish that I was tall. Look at me. Sometimes when I date a lady that she's taller than me, when I hug her, my feet in the air. We walk and I'm in there, but I keep doing like this because I want to give her the feeling that I'm doing something. I don't want to be on her shoulder, you know, like Louis Vuitton bag. So just like, you know, like this. Yes, when I dated a lady, she was taller than me, like two heads. That was weird, guys, because when we had sex, she can change the sex position without to tell me. We're having sex, suddenly she flipped me and I'm on her, you know, like a bird on a rhino. Where did you meet her? Bumper. Did you know that he's so tall?
It was in his bio.
In his bio. Wow, it's amazing.
Why it's like,
So that's why you swiped? You would never swipe to me. She swiped and it over my head. They're doing right, but I can't because it's too high. Wow, that's beautiful. You're amazing. What do you do for a living, the boyfriend? You are a bartender? You can be the bar. That's weird that you see only this part of his body. The head is like in the ceiling, and you say, excuse me, and the belly button is speaking to you. You want with ice? 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 No ice? Okay. I'm sorry, man. I did. It's weird. I don't want to show my tummy, because I gain weight. You know what I mean? So I have a schnitzels over here. It's weird because when you gain weight, first of all, the schnitzel is like behind your back. It starts here, and then slowly, little by little, they meet each other here. And then when you bend down, you understand. Oh my God. Oh my God! You know, I used to see my penis when I was peeing. I always pee when I sit because, never mind. So, yes, my friend. So you are a bartender? Wow, nice. And where do you don't care that he's a bartender because bartender is like all the ladies coming to the bartender. What's up, bartender? And he's like, well, I know what you like to drink. Yeah, you're a woman for sex on the beach. And she's like, yes, but not a drink. Take me to the beach. Wow, look at Adina. That's why you're coming back home and there's a lot of sand in your underwear. Sex on the beach. Ophthalmologist? Ophthalmologist? Nice. Wow, that's amazing. So, Sivan, tell me if you can help me. How can it be that I can't see nothing from here, but things in the distance, an eagle? How can it be that I'm an eagle? I can see things far away, but here, nothing. Just imagine that a real eagle would be like this. An eagle in the sky, see a rabbit like, oh, there's a rabbit. Oh my, where is it? Oh my God, wait a minute, there you go. Oh my God, oh my God, rabbit, where are you, rabbit? Oh my God, wait a minute, I understand the joke. How can it be that I can't see nothing from here? I can read nothing, but in the distance, wow. I sit with my friends that they're 52, and I show off. Can you see the sign over there? Can you see the sign? What's it written in the sign? I don't know, Coca-Cola. You know? Can you explain it to me? Why I can't see close, but far away I can see very good?
it's because of the age with the eyes like.
Wow. You want to insult me more? It's because you are old. You don't have much time to live. So you start to see the world blur until it's gonna shut off completely. Wow. You say because I'm getting old?
Yeah, we have like.
No, she's amazing. She's a doctor. How can you explain? Because they suggest me to do a laser surgery. But, you know, but the person that I came to the appointment, that he's the doctor, he has glasses. So, wait a minute. It's weird. You know what I mean? It's like, just imagine you're going to go to your dentist and he has one tooth. Please sit down. You want to smile like me? Am I right? So to do the surgery or not?
I had laser and I don't recommend.
You don't recommend and you have laser?
Yeah,
Why you don't recommend?
Because it returns, and for you it won't help. So.
Wow, you start to dig my grave. It's not gonna help. It's not gonna help. Please stand in front of this grave and can you see the grave? No, I can see things from close. Very good. If the grave was far away, I could see the grave, but the grave was here.